Is it time to buy or sell XTI Aerospace stock? In this video, we are diving deep into XTI Aerospace. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 13th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 13th of January, 2025, our system has identified XTI Aerospace as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.41. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will keep an eye on this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock is positioned in the upper section of a very broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This situation often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower segment of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $7.33 will initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 20.44% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between negative 98.40% and positive 28.52%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of negative 2.70% over the next 12 months, with potential returns between negative 100% and 6,692.77%. This translates to a price range from $0 to $466.66 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for XTI Aerospace includes the headline, Big movements in XTI Aerospace Inc. stock price on Monday, moving 31.04% between high and low. The XTI Aerospace Inc. stock price declined by 6.02% on the last day, Monday, the 13th of January, 2025, falling from $7.31 to $6.87. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 31.04%, with a day low of $5.83 and a day high of $7.64. The price has decreased in 5 of the last 10 days, but remains up by 17,075% over the past 2 weeks. On the last day, trading volume also decreased alongside the stock, which is actually a positive indicator, as volume should align with stock movement. On that day, trading volume fell by 4 million shares, with a total of 2 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $10,900,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $518, and the lowest price was $0.0383. Currently, the price is 98.67%, or $511.13, below the 52-week high, and 99.65%, or $1,935.63, below the all-time high reached on the 16th of May, 2022, when the price peaked at $1,942.50. XTI Aerospace has made significant strides that could impact its stock performance. Today, the company announced a non-binding memorandum of understanding to acquire a 30% equity interest in Ready Monitor, a leading AI-powered autonomous drone firm. This strategic move positions XTI to expand into the growing drone-as-a-service market, with plans to acquire the remaining 70% in the next year. Such an acquisition could create new revenue streams and enhance XTI's market valuation in the long term by integrating advanced technology into its VTOL solutions. Additionally, XTI recently completed a $20 million common stock offering, which provides necessary liquidity for financing future initiatives and could stabilize its financial position amidst ongoing restructuring efforts, like the recently announced 1-for-2 150 reverse stock split aimed at regaining NASDAQ compliance. This blend of financing and strategic acquisitions could positively influence investor confidence and stock price movement in both the short and long term. In light of these developments, XTI's stock may see volatility as the market reacts to its strategic directions and ongoing financial maneuvers. If the integration of Ready Monitor proves successful, we may witness a notable uptick in valuations. Investors should monitor how these initiatives unfold, as success in these areas could lead to a favorable long-term outlook for XTI Aerospace. Analysts have assigned XTI Aerospace stock a general strong sell rating. They have rated the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also provide a rating of strong sell for the stock. The following signals have been identified for XTI Aerospace. The stock of XTI Aerospace Inc. shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Moreover, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $2.07 and 45 cents. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term performance. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, January 10, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 6%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. The pivots suggest a sell signal, which occurred 2 days ago. A short-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 4 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages points to a buy signal from 6 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 3 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages also reveals a buy signal from 3 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for XTI Aerospace. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level. Under the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock exhibits considerable daily movement, and due to a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.81 between its highest and lowest points, which represents a change of 31.04%. During the previous week, the stock's average daily volatility was 85.57%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for XTI Aerospace, let's briefly review some important fundamental data. First up is the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This key metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their influence. However, persistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of the year 2024 is anticipated on the 14th of April in the year 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for XTI Aerospace. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for XTI Aerospace is at $7.31. If you do not own any shares, you might want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for XTI Aerospace from various analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 28th of October, 2024, Gaines Jennifer made an insider purchase of 1,171,875 shares of stock option, which grants the right to buy common stock. On the 28th of October 2024, Gaines Jennifer also made an insider purchase of no shares. On the 19th of September 2024, Arthur Tobin conducted an insider purchase of 1,171,875 shares of stock option. On the 19th of September, 2024, Arthur Tobin made an insider purchase of no shares. On the 12th of June, 2024, Axton Tennessee conducted an insider purchase of 206,667 shares of stock option. Analyzing the most recent 27 insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 89.470. In total, insiders have purchased 11,407,565 shares and sold 12,047 shares in these last 27 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $6.52, reflecting a decrease of 5.12%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces a significant level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 94, further elevating the risk involved. Additionally, a sell signal has been identified from a pivot top that occurred 1 day ago. Is XTI Aerospace stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for XTI Aerospace Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. We have updated our evaluation, moving from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is considered overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Tuesday, January 14th, we anticipate that XTI Aerospace will open lower, with a decrease of 9 cents, starting at a price of $6.78. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.